Isn't barbecue great? I still think so. And I'm glad you're here. This is Ben's Best Barbecue Austin Barbecue Tour 21. Today's episode, we're headed to Valentina's Tex-Mex Barbecue. I discovered this place via a profile done on them by Chef's Feed, which is a great cooking channel. In that one, Aaron Franklin himself raved about their mesquite-smoked brisket as well as their homemade flour tortillas. So I knew when we went to Austin, I had to check this place out. So as you can see, this business is a truck, and several smokers behind the truck are always preparing the food. On the day that I went, and due to their unique ordering system, a lot of people were just milling around, like you can see this guy at the left, just hovering around. Actually, it was kind of like those guys you see in grocery stores, like either bachelors or people that look like me, that hover around that part of the deli, you know, where they have the fried chicken, or like the General Tso's chicken, and they're just thinking, you know, how many they should pick up. It was kind of like that. But more on that in the video to come, so please enjoy this shaky cam footage of Valentina's Tex-Mex Barbecue. This is Valentina Barbecue, or more precisely the dumpster behind it. I'm in Manchaca, Texas, and it has finished raining for the last couple of days. And it's starting to get humid and a little uncomfortable. So the deal is they only take online order, which there's not a giant red sign with my face on it saying that, so I had to figure that out. But they do have lots of QR codes around there, so I'm waiting for my order. This is Tex-Mex, and it's so Tex-Mex that Selena is playing. You remember her? Well, I'm pretty excited about this. I hear they have a great mesquite-smoked brisket, and I ordered the brisket taco. And some of the chatos and the Mexican rice, and their homemade flour tortillas. I mean, this could be as close to heaven as it gets for someone like myself. I'm joking, of course, sort of. So, I might walk around, see what's over here, but that's the deal for now. Alright, so here it is. That was awful. It was definitely 20 minutes after they said it was going to be ready. But as I said, it was only online ordering. So let's see what we got here. This, whatever that is. This, whatever that is. And this. Okay. As well as this. My chatos right there. Look at that. I got my rice. What else we got? We got some salsas. Yes, we do, and it looks like something leaked. Probably the brisket. Okay. So, flour tortillas. I think those are those. And then 2 brisket tacos. Yes, absolutely. There's one right there. And where's my wife's one? There's one right there. I thought they'd be a little bit bigger. But anyways, I have my silverware here, and it's time to get into this. I'm going to eat this one. It looks plump. Well, I'm a fan. Alright. Homemade flour tortilla. Chopped brisket, not sliced brisket. Some avocado right there. And I'm going to top this with the salsa eventually. This is going to be good. I should have probably gotten the carnitas one as well. Anyways, that's it for now. I'm definitely tucking in. That looks good, and as always, the scores will follow. Bye-bye. So yeah, that was great. That was really intense. The mesquite smoke, the seasoning on the meat, the avocado, the salsa. If only I had a fried egg on that. They're a little smaller than I expected. Anyways, you have no idea how good these chatos are. And this arroz rojo, that's pretty good too. But these beans. See, the times I have them back in like Chicago, where I'm from, a lot of people will use the baked beans. And they'll make this. They won't make these from scratch like these from these pintos. I don't know what I like better, but these are certainly good. They're a lot less sweet. And look at that. Doesn't it look good? I wish I could make these. I probably could, but then I'd have to take my focus off of something else. Alright. Of course, this place is difficult to rate. It's Tex-Mex and barbecue, not just barbecue. But for my order, which is a sensible order, I think, I figured it out. The beans are the second meat. And as a meat, I have to ding them a little bit. It's only fair. But that was made up for by the flour tortillas and the rice. Both homemade, both incredibly delicious. The best sides I've had so far on this tour. Nothing to complain about the service, the value, only about a 6 because it's $40 for that. Good as all of it was. There is no sauce, but the guacamole on the tacos was very good. It was a great compliment to such smoky, salty brisket. So, as you can see, the total here is 78. That puts them behind Little Miss Barbecue and Leroy and Lewis. But again, this is misleading. It's not just a barbecue place. It's Tex-Mex and barbecue. So even though this is a 78 as a pure barbecue place, I think it could possibly be the very best eating experience overall that we've had so far. So please, if you're in the area in South Austin, go try it out. Okay, bye.